Okay, are you ready for another bit of fun with Clown Matt? Yes? Today, what are we gonna talk about? Today, we're gonna talk about, can you guess? Some of them go, wow, and some of them go, oh, oh, ah, ah, oh, oh, ah, ah. Can you guess? That's right. Today, we're gonna talk about wild animals. Wow! Ooh, like you can see sometimes. So, our first animal today, do you know what this is? What's this one? Do you know? Yes? Well done, yes. It's a monkey. Can you say that? It's a monkey. Well done. And what's the next one? What's this? Can you guess? Do you know? That's right. It's a tiger. Yes. And what's the next one? What's this? Did you say it? Yes, it's a zebra or zebra. You can say both. It's a zebra or it's a zebra. Okay? Good. And what's next? What's this one? That's right. It's very, very tall. It's a giraffe. Good job. It's a giraffe. Well done. Oh, what's this one? I don't like this one. What is it? Did you say it? It's a snake. Yes, it's a snake. Whoa. I don't like. Let's get rid of this one. And what's this one? I like this one. What's this one? With a very long nose. That's right. It's an elephant. Can you say that again? Be careful. You have to say an, not a. It's an elephant. Well done. And, oh, what's this? It goes hop, hop, hopping. What's this one? It's a kangaroo. Yes, well done. It's a kangaroo. And what's this one? Do you know? I know this one's not a wild animal, but this one is in our song later. What is it? It has 8 arms. That's right, it's an octopus. It's like elephant, you have to say an. It's an octopus. Good job. And what's the last one? Oh, I like this one. He's so cuddly. What's this? It's a koala. Well done, yes, it's a koala. Excellent. And in our song today, we're going to sing about these 4 animals. An elephant, a kangaroo, an octopus, and a koala. That's right. And what they can do. Now, what can an elephant do? Can an elephant jump? No! Can an elephant fly? Of course not. No, you have to go, No. What about an elephant? What can he do? Can an elephant walk? Yes, that's right. An elephant can walk like this. Walk, 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 walk. Very good. And what about this one? What's this one? That's right, it's the kangaroo. Can a kangaroo walk? No. Can a kangaroo run? No. But can a kangaroo hop? Can it? Yes, that's right. A kangaroo can hop like this. Hop, hop, hop. Well done. Are you ready to sing the song? Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
3,
Here we go.
1, go!
Get ready.
Can an elephant jump? No, it can't. Can an elephant fly? No, it can't. Can an elephant walk? Yes, it can. An elephant can walk.
Ready to walk?
Walk, 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 walk. Stop. Can a kangaroo walk? No, it can't. Can a kangaroo run? No, it can't. Can a kangaroo hop? Yes, it can. swim. Yes, it can. An octopus can swim.
Ready, swim.
Swim, 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 stop. Can a koala swim? No, it can't. Can a koala dance? No, it can't. Can a koala sleep? Yes, it can. Koala can sleep.
Wake up! Are you ready?
Oh, I can jump, 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 jump. I can fly, 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 fly. I can walk, 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 walk. Yes, I can. I can run, 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 run. I can hop, 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 hop. I can clap, 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 clap. Yes, I can. I can swim, 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 swim. I can dance, 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 dance. I can sleep, 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 sleep.
Oh, wake up, everybody! Woo! Very good. Did you enjoy that? Did you have fun? Did you dance and sing with me? Brilliant! Okay, it's time to go for today. But don't forget to sing the song at home. And don't forget to like the Facebook page and like the video and comment. And don't forget, we have amazing online English courses at Coaching English. Okay? Great. Say bye-bye. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.